Hey everybody, on today's video I want to share with you guys this backsplash that we got off Amazon. Now this is like a sticky backsplash, super easy to install, anybody can do it. You just got to cut off the edges here and it just sticks right to the wall. So in this video here we're going to show you step by step exactly how to install it to transform your kitchen into something really beautiful. These tiles come in about 15 different colors to choose from. So there's actually two products here that you're going to need. You're going to need the tile backsplash and then also the trim pieces. The trim is for like your border. It just makes it all come together really nice and smooth. Both of these products are very affordable. My whole kitchen here cost me $75 to do, and that's by buying these products off of Amazon. I will leave the link for both of these products in the description. All you do is click over on the More tab in the corner, and then you'll find the links in the description. This video is not sponsored. These are actual products that I bought, and this is my actual kitchen. So the first thing I'm gonna do is get yourself a straight line, and this is gonna be our starting point. And then you just go ahead and start on your trim outline. Now this is really easy. Everything is just like peel and stick, same as the tiles. And once you get this started, the actual backsplash goes really fast. If you guys are enjoying my product review videos, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Yeah, this trim is really easy to cut with a pair of scissors, and you just measure it out to what you need and stick it to the wall. And now on the tiles, for the very first piece here, you want to cut off all the little squares so that way you get a nice flush transition that bumps right up to that trim. Each piece of tile has a paper backing that you need to remove, and you will find that it is very sticky on the back side. So you just want to line it all up, push it on the wall, and it's going to stick really well. We've had this product on our home now for about 6 months at the time of recording this video, and everything is still sticking perfectly. Now this next piece here, we actually have an outlet that we need to cut around, and all I do is I push my finger around it, and you can just cut it with a razor blade knife. So it cuts out really easily. Like I said, this stuff you can cut with scissors, you can cut it with a razor blade. It's really not that hard. Once you get the hang of it, it goes by really fast. Sit back and relax and watch how fast I get this done. As you can see, this turned out absolutely amazing. You guys, we totally transformed our kitchen into something completely different. It looks great. We have people that come over and they don't even notice that it's peel and stick. Like, you can't tell. It looks like real backsplash. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this presentation. Hopefully this helps you make up your mind whether or not this backsplash is right for you. Again, the links are in the description. We hope you guys enjoy these videos. Please remember to check out our other product review videos. Until next time, see you on the next one.